Have you ever eaten a bowl of instant noodles and wondered, how in the world are these made so perfectly, so fast, and on such a massive scale? Today, you're getting an exclusive, behind-the-scenes look inside a fully automated noodle factory, from simple flour, to hot, delicious noodles ready to ship worldwide. Get ready, because this process is not just fascinating, it's seriously satisfying to watch. Raw ingredients arrive. Every noodle starts with one humble hero, flour. But not just any flour, carefully selected wheat flour with a specific gluten content, essential for that chewy, springy noodle texture. Massive trucks deliver it to the factory, where it's pumped straight into huge storage silos, sealed airtight to prevent contamination. Next comes water, salt, and sometimes a special blend of additives for texture and color. These are precisely measured by automated systems that operate with 0.01% accuracy, more precise than your kitchen scale. Mixing and dough making. Inside industrial mixers, the flour and liquids combine to form a coarse, sticky dough. This process might look messy, but there's science in every spin. Special sensors measure temperature, humidity, and mixing time to create a dough that's elastic but not too tough. Think of it like making bread, but on a scale big enough to feed a city. Rolling, sheeting and cutting. Here comes the most hypnotic part, turning dough into thousands of noodles per minute. Giant rollers compress the dough into long, thin sheets. Then, like pasta making on steroids, it's sliced into noodle strands, fast, clean, and razor sharp. These machines can adjust the thickness and length automatically. Want thin ramen? Flat udon? Wide lo mein? The factory can switch between them in seconds. Cooking, steaming or frying. Depending on the noodle type, it either heads to a steam tunnel, where it's cooked under high heat and pressure, or into a fryer for instant noodles. Instant noodles are flash-fried in hot oil for 1 to 2 minutes, giving them that signature texture and long shelf life. They puff up slightly, that's the magic of rapid water evaporation. Steam-cooked noodles, on the other hand, go through a cooling chamber afterward to lock in moisture and prevent overcooking. Drying and cooling. After cooking, the noodles need to cool down and dry properly. Industrial dryers reduce moisture content without compromising texture. This stage ensures that the noodles won't mold or spoil, key for products that ship worldwide and sit on shelves for months. Flavor Packet Factory. Let's not forget the second star of the show, the seasoning packets. A mix of salt, spices, powdered vegetables, and sometimes MSG is blended and packed with equal precision. Each packet has to be identical. Flavor consistency is everything for a global brand. Packaging and shipping. The final leg of the journey, packaging. Robots drop the noodles and flavor packets into trays, seal them with plastic, and stamp expiration dates. Each pack is scanned, boxed, and stacked, ready to be shipped to your favorite store. In 1 hour, this factory can pack over 30,000 noodle packets. That's about 8 packets every second. Fun Facts segment. Brain, did you know? Over 290 million packets of instant noodles are eaten every single day. The world's top consumers are China, Indonesia, and Vietnam. There's a museum in Japan dedicated entirely to instant noodles. So next time you slurp a bowl of noodles, remember, you're not just eating food, you're experiencing the result of high-tech engineering, global logistics, and a touch of delicious magic. If you enjoyed this look inside the noodle factory, give us a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and hit that bell icon for more amazing factory tours, only on FinDux.